Velcro that in the hand.
I know they're right. These little butterflies over here. Alright, it's open. Nothing.
I ain't done anything yet.
Alright.
You should have got fluid that time.
No.
I ain't tied it up.
Alright.
Got it tied?
Yep.
Alright, just hold on. I'm feeling in the paddle now. What I would do is I let you open the valve and
Pump it up, let it off, and then I'll open it and it'll trip. And you just leave it open, you push it, and then pump out, and then you use the cold cup.
I got a lot of air that time.
Is that clear?
Huh?
Is that clear?
That's how you look. That's how you find where the tire is. I just wonder if we can break it down. I know we're not going to be driving on it, so we're not going to drive it. But we got to be able to get it on the side of our.
Yeah, you just live over in the yard.
We took the whole area. We took the make it whole area. I can take it over my buddy's tire shop tomorrow. You ever broke one down by hand?
Spoons and stuff?
I take, set it out there in the yard, set it out there on the concrete, and run my truck up on it.
Oh, yeah.
Look at here, folks. We got another Volkswagen coming in here to Riverbank Customs. This one belongs to some really good friends of mine, Kenny and Shelly James. They show with us quite a few times, Bugapalooza, Volks Gym. So we're gonna be doing a little tune-up on this car and getting it ready to go to Volks Gym. Talked to Shelly this morning. I said, "What do you want? What do you want me to do to this car?" And she said, "Make it where I can drive it." So that's what we're gonna do. It's got a little carburetor issues. Got a 34 pick Yippee on it. We're gonna see if we can get that straightened out. Maybe do some jet work on it. Might even have to call in reinforcement on this thing. If we do, we do. It's a really beautiful car. 71, 72 model Super Beetle convertible. Help Stephen get it back in there. Glad to have Stephen here in the shop with us today. We've been working on Shane's truck, trying to get it finished up. You see, it's standing. It's up there on the lift. So, folks, the Volkswagens are coming in. They're taking over. Plan A in the background. Won't be long. We'll have Red 67 down here building a big motor for you. We're gonna build probably a drag race motor for you, probably a 2332, something like that. So y'all just stay tuned for that. It depends on how much money Steven wants to spend. So one thing I want to do, I noticed with this car, it was a lot of fuel related issues, kind of flooding, like maybe the needle seat was stuck, or just something going on with this carburetor. So that's where we're going to start at. Steven, reach inside right there behind the seats and cut that battery disconnect off. You'll see it when you look in there. See what I'm talking about? All right. I'm a big fan of stock air filters too. If you run a stock carburetor, I like to have stock air filters. Alright YouTube, so we got a little smack talking going on.
So here's the deal. So Chris is going to work on Plan A. We actually got Kenny and Shelly's Volkswagen over here. He's looking at some fuel stuff on that. We've had Plan A. We've had the Red 67 over here. Chris did all the front end work, and we got Red 67 all done. So he's fixing to work on Plan A. So the conversation came up, and I told Chris, I said, "Now it sounds like you're going to show me and Shelly up working on Plan A." And he said, "I'm just doing this car just to hang out and ride around with you guys." So what I was fixing to tell him before we started this video was,
here we go.
Is he has seen Shelly's car finished, and he's seen Red 67 finished. And we haven't started on Plan A, real hot and heavy yet. So he's planning on big engine. He's going to run 70, 80, 90 miles an hour in it. He knows my car won't run 90 miles an hour. He sounds like he wants to show us up. So he's saying, I just want to ride around with y'all. So as we see Plan A get going real good, you'll see he's wanting to show us up.
Well, I will tell you this. Those of you that know me, especially from back in the day, if you're riding with me, you're riding behind me. I'll take my ball and I'll go home. We're going to play my way or I'm going home. All right, what'd you say? Say it again.
Get a good look right here. This
okay.
Is Plan A.
Okay.
Get a good look at this car.
Y'all, this is shop day at Riverbank Customs.
Look, Red 67 looked kind of like this when I got it. Okay, you're not wanting to show me up, but Red 67 only got 3 new fenders. Look, this Plan A got 4 new fenders already. Already got 4 new fenders. There's going to be a new rear apron in here. There's already a new front one in over here that's going in.
Yeah, I've seen pictures of that.
Okay, so look, Red 67 is a hard top. This is a hard top right now, but rumor mill is there's going to be a rag top put in right here.
Ron Hamby?
No, we ain't showing nobody up, but yeah, you're going to have everything on this one. That mine don't have. plus 100 mile an hour Volkswagen.
100 mile an hour Volkswagen.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
I hope y'all heard all that. I hope you enjoyed all that smack talking. First of all, I'd like to say thanks to Steven for coming and helping me today. It's been a lot of fun. We got a lot of work done. Thanks to Kenny and Shelly for giving me the opportunity to work on their car and help them out. But not only that, we get to showcase their car. You'll see it at a lot of shows. I really enjoy hanging out with them, having their car at the booth. It's a beautiful car. We're going to do a little bit of showcasing on it in the next couple of videos. We'll have it here for a couple of days, depending on how long it takes to get it fixed. But I want to take a minute and just kind of give you an update. If you don't know, if you follow this channel, it's been 2 months since we put out a video. So just kind of update on what's been going on. I've been sick. I've been real sick. Spent a couple days in the hospital there at University Hospital in Birmingham. Don't really know what was going on. Had a pretty bad case of pneumonia. But good Lord took care of me. He's blessed me. I was able to go back to work this week. I really enjoyed being back with my friends, my co-workers, back with my team. So everything's going to be okay. Every day's a new day, and I'm getting better every day. Glad to be back down here in the shop working on some projects. Looking forward to that. Again, thank you. Thank you for your thoughts and prayers for me and my family. Godspeed, we get to praying. Makes a difference. Thank y'all. So that's going to about wind it up for today's video. I'd like to take a moment and tell you a special thank you for watching this video. I really enjoy all this work, building these cars and these trucks and fooling with these old Volkswagens. But I really enjoy making these videos and getting this content out to everybody. Hope y'all enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy making them. I'm not really a big fan of doing how-to videos. The internet and the YouTube is covered up with how-to videos. But if there's something you want to see, especially if it's Volkswagen related, if there's something you're interested in, something you want to know about, reach out to me, drop me a comment in the section below, and we'll make a video of that. We got a lot of Volkswagen projects coming up. Got a lot of big shows coming up we're going to be preparing for. Hope to see everybody there. Volks Jam at Tanner Hill State Park here in Alabama, August 26th. And then my hometown's putting on a show September 16th at Lakeside Park here in Pell City. That's going to be a really big show. We're going to represent well at both shows. So come by the booth, say hi, pick up some merch, and might even grab a hot dog or a hamburger while you're there. Thank you all so much. Come back and see us.